If you're wondering how to start a box truck business, this video has everything you need. A box truck is a type of delivery truck that has a rectangular cargo area attached to its chassis. It's typically larger than a van but smaller than a semi-truck or trailer. Box truck services typically haul cargo for last-mile deliveries as these vehicles can better navigate urban roads. The cost of buying a box truck will vary based on the make and model of the truck, but you can generally expect to pay between $15,000 to $50,000. Your startup costs will also include expenses for loading equipment, harnesses, pallets, and more. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Northwest Registered Agent is professional formation service to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in description down below. Let's continue the video. Now, steps to start a box truck business. Starting a business in this industry can be very rewarding, but it's important to get the launch right so that you can quickly start hauling cargo. Before you can be your own boss and start a trucking company, there are a few steps that you need to keep in mind. Number 1. Develop a business plan. A business plan is vital to your success. It should outline the goals, strategies, and milestones your box truck business needs to achieve to succeed. A business plan is essentially a document that provides a roadmap for you to follow as you work to establish and expand your business. A good business plan will include a market analysis of the industry. Understand their pricing strategies and adapt yours to provide more value to customers. Include financial projections in the plan as lenders are particularly interested in the earnings potential of businesses. It should also include a detailed operational plan that highlights how the business will expand in the future. Lastly, include your ideas for marketing the business through various mediums to bring in more customers. Next, complete trucking documents. Before you can start your box truck service, you need to complete some paperwork. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to file a BOC-3 form. It's required for interstate trucking. You can designate an agent to handle legal papers in the states where you operate. Secondly, apply for a motor carrier number. It's needed to operate between states. For this, submit ID, insurance, and bank statements to the FMCSA, and pay a $300 fee. Thirdly, complete Unified Carrier Registration, UCR. It's required for interstate cargo transport, and it must be done yearly. At last, get a commercial driver's license, CDL, if needed. It's not needed if your truck's GVWR is 26,000 pounds or less. It's required for trucks over 26,000 pounds, either for you or your drivers. Step number 3. Decide on business structure. Choosing the right business structure is important when setting up your business. These are the 4 main options when establishing a business entity: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Sole proprietorship. This is the simplest structure and is often chosen by individual entrepreneurs. As a sole proprietor, you and your business are considered the same entity. The ease of startup and lower cost are major advantages of this structure. However, it doesn't offer liability protection, meaning your assets could be at risk if your business incurs debt or is sued. General partnership. If you're going into business with someone else, a general partnership might be suitable. Both partners share the responsibilities, profits, and losses of the business. Like a sole proprietorship, a general partnership doesn't provide liability protection. Corporation. A corporation is a separate legal entity owned by shareholders. This means the business, not the owners, is liable for its debts and any legal actions. Starting a corporation involves more paperwork and higher costs, but it provides strong liability protection. Limited liability company, LLC. An LLC is a hybrid structure that combines the simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. It's a popular choice for small businesses because it offers flexibility and protects the owners from personal liability. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done. Most popular service is Northwest Registered Agent, renowned for its exceptional privacy protection features. For just $39 plus state fees, clients can enjoy unparalleled peace of mind along with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With Northwest Registered Agent, customers can rest assured that their sensitive information is in safe hands, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence. Step 4. Register your business. After deciding on the business entity, you must register the business with your state. There are separate documentation requirements for each entity type. The fillings will be done with the Secretary of State. Forming an LLC is easy. There are 2 options for forming your LLC. You can hire a professional LLC formation service to set up your LLC for a small fee. Or, choose your state from the list below to start an LLC yourself. Then, number 5. Open a bank account. A separate business bank account is necessary to keep your personal and business finances separate. It will also make it easier for you to track income and expenses. A business checking account is typically the best option. You may also choose to open a business credit card to meet expenses between payments. Number 6. Get funding. It's possible to obtain funding to launch a box truck business. Most small business owners invest their personal savings and also consider raising startup capital through loans from friends and family. You can also apply for a small business loan at a bank or credit union. Small Business Administration (SBA) loans are also available for a trucking company. To get a small business loan, you'll need to provide lenders with a business plan. Now, number 7. Acquire a box truck and other equipment. With the funding secured, buy the ideal box truck based on your business plan either through a box truck lease or, if the capital allows it, an outright cash purchase. Depending on the cargo you plan on hauling, you may need to buy additional equipment such as a pallet jack, load securing harnesses, ropes, etc. Next, number 8. Buy business insurance. Don't start hauling cargo without having adequate business liability insurance. It will protect you in the unfortunate event of an accident and the legal liabilities of property damage or bodily injury that it can create. Number 9. Get a location and hire employees. You'll need commercial space close to the areas you're targeting. It should also have easy access to a variety of transportation routes to ensure fast and timely delivery of cargo. If you have multiple box trucks, consider investing in a piece of land that's big enough for parking and maneuvering the trucks. Owner-operators don't need to hire employees initially, but it's important to position your business for expansion from the beginning. Once it's financially feasible to add more trucks, start hiring experienced and qualified drivers to expand your fleet. You'll also need to hire experienced loaders and unloaders to assist with operations. Lastly, number 10. Market your box truck business. Create a marketing strategy that targets customers both online and offline to increase brand awareness. Rely on social media marketing to advertise your box truck services and create a good website that lists your services and provides contact information. To promote your business offline, consider distributing flyers to businesses in your area. In conclusion, the mobile box truck industry outlook is positive. With the right skills, service area, tools, and technology, you can build a thriving business. Not only will you have a job that you can be proud of, but a home service that helps people protect and maintain an essential investment. As you embark on your new business journey, it's important to take advantage of the various small business tools and resources available. Northwest Registered Agent can assist you in streamlining several crucial small business tasks. Northwest offers to walk you through the formation process for free. When you make a free account with Northwest, you'll be given online tools for LLC formation, maintenance walkthrough, and company document creation. All you'll have to pay is your state's filing fee. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, Northwest will file your paperwork for as little as $39 plus your state filing fee. This option includes compliance filing, phone service, and lifetime support from local corporate guides. If you choose to pay in full for Northwest's LLC formation service, you'll be charged a $39 service filing fee, plus an expedited filing fee that varies based on state of incorporation. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review and tutorial of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below.